English version, Mathematics, Class 5, Chapter 3, Number 10. What is the maximum number of chocolate needed to be divided equal among 18 boys and 27 girls to get grade 5? Means how many chocolate you need to divide it by the 18 boys and 27 girls. Grade 5. Grade 5, your friends, you can divide it. So find the maximum number of chocolate divided by 18 boys and 27 girls by LCM. We can divide we can divide them 18, 27 divided by 3, 3 and 6 and 9, and again divided by 3, 2, 3. Then LCM we can denote it by 3, 3, 3 into 3 into 2 into 3. That means 54 chocolate. So answer equal to 54 chocolate. You can divide it 54 chocolate the all students. Thank you.